Hi! Today we are going to be taking a look at the Classic Flame Pioneer Stone Electric Fireplace. So this is the fireplace. I live in a townhouse that does not have a fireplace, and sometimes it does get kind of cold in here. Now, in terms of searching for a fireplace, it took a very long time to find one that I liked, and to find one that came in a good size. Because I don't know if you're looking for one right now, they can be really short. So, what is already so outstanding about this fireplace is that this appears to look like real stone. Like, it looks beautiful. And it is so far a great attachment to my room. And just a couple other things that I really like about this before I go into some of the information that I have is that this flame right here, I don't have to have the heater on. And there's two different color options. There's this one, and then there's one, it might be a little hard to pick up, but you can maybe see a blue flame that appears in the back. It's a little lighter, but it gives a different kind of ambiance. It is very easy to assemble. It came right out of the package all together. All you had to do was take off the styrofoam and any coverings for the electrical fireplace portion. It does come with a wonderful remote, which I noticed when looking, some don't include a remote or they don't include a timer. Which for me are very important features for a heater in general, not just a fireplace, but a heater. Yeah, so here's a closer look at the fireplace. I still just have the flame going. It has a beautiful mantle on top. I saw in the comments some people had their TVs on top. I am trying to keep this a little bit more decorative because I do have cats. My cats love it. They love sitting near the heater, and it's just one of their favorite places to be in. This is just now such a functional and beautiful piece in the room. And I love that when it comes to using the heater, now I do have the remote control, I'll show you a close-up in a moment, but I turned it on. Its lowest setting is 62 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can go all the way up to above 82 degrees. Now it's on and it'll heat up the room. So here's a better look at the flame and the heater and everything. I pulled some blinds down so that the sun wasn't shining all the time. But here, this is on at full heat, at max heat, and there is a timer, which is great. You could do it for 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8, 9, and off. Like no timer at all. So there is a 9-hour timer. I probably won't use that high of a timer, but it is a wonderful feature to have. Say if you accidentally left it on or something, you know it'll turn off. Now maybe you'll be able to see the change in the flame. Right now it has one on. It dims a little bit, gets a little bit dimmer, and there the blue flame pops up in the back. The blue flame, you know, if you were back into science or anything like that, the blue flame is actually the hottest part of the fire. For me, it's a little hard to see, but that's okay. And then it also gets dimmer. And with the heater off, I typically have it on this setting because I don't need to have the heater on all the time. All you have to do is turn the heat all the way down past 62 and it's off. You'll hear it running for a little bit afterwards, but that's just it cooling down, and eventually it'll fully stop. There'll be no sound whatsoever. There you go. Fully turned off. The light is still on. And I like just having this in the background, maybe if I have some friends over. Just a nice little statement piece. It makes it look like a real fireplace. Just the attention to detail and how functional it is a really wonderful piece in the room. This is a closer look at the controller. Here we have the power button, the heat up button, the heat down button. This is the flame. Whether you want to change the color or dim it, you just keep going through the selections till you find what you want. And here's the timer. See, he really loves it. Alright, that's a look at the classic Flame Pioneer Stone Electric Fireplace Mantle. Make sure you check the description sections below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching.